Thinking about diving into Roblox trading and wondering if Rolimons.com is the real deal or just another overhyped platform that could lead you into risky trades? In this video, I give you a complete and honest review of Rolimons, a fan-made website that has become a go-to resource for millions of Roblox players who are into limited item trading. Rolimons provides tools like item value tracking, market analytics, trade ads, and historical charts to help traders make smarter decisions. The platform has been around for over 7 years, which does give it some credibility, and it's backed by an active social media presence with updates and engagement from the community. Its clean and user-friendly interface makes it easy even for beginners to navigate the market, check item values, and look at the demand or trend history of limiteds. But despite all these positive aspects, it's not all smooth sailing. As I explored and used the site myself, I noticed that while the data presentation is great, there are still some concerns you should know about. Many users have reported frustrations with item value drops that feel sudden or unfair, and since Rolimons isn't officially connected to Roblox, all values are based on community-driven decisions which sometimes feel biased or manipulated. I also noticed that trades influenced by Rolimons value estimates don't always reflect real market behavior, meaning you could follow their data and still end up on the losing end of a deal. There are no built-in protections, no accountability, and no guarantees that what's displayed on Rolimons reflects true market trends. So, while the platform isn't a scam and definitely has useful features, trusting it blindly could put your trades at risk. In the end, Rolimons is a helpful tool, not a trading Bible, and whether it helps or hurts depends on how you use it.